Well, today's video is going to be this red eyeshadow look that I'm kind of living for. I haven't really done a red eyeshadow look like this before. This is the most blended cut crease I've ever had. It worked out really well tonight, ladies. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you're new here. Hello, my name is Taylor, and I would love to have you join the family. So go ahead and subscribe down below. First, I'm going to start off by priming my lids. I'm going to use my Photo Focus concealer, and I'm going to go ahead and prime my lids. Okay, now that my veins on my eyelids are all nice and covered, let's go ahead and move on. I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Jaclyn Hill palette. This is the original Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to go in with one of these light brown shades here, probably this one. That one is Silk Cream, so I'm going to go in with Silk Cream right here. I'm going to go in with this brush. This is just the It Cosmetics crease brush, and I'm just going to take Silk Cream on this and then basically just buff this into my crease. So now that my eyes have a nice even nude base, I'm going to go in with my favorite crease brush. I really don't know what it's called, but it's all I have and I really like it. And I'm going to go in with this NYX Ultimate Edit Petite Eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to go in with this red shade right here and hope that she's not super too pigmented. And I'm going to blend this a little bit lower, and it's not super pigmented, which is really nice for this, what I'm trying to do. I'm kind of taking the brush and pointing it down into my crease because I don't want the shadow to be taken too high. I want to mostly concentrate it right in my crease area. This is almost turning out like way super hot pink. I'm going to go in with this It Cosmetics double-ended brush, and this is the smudger side of the brush. I'm going to go in with this ColourPop Yes Please palette, and I'm going to dip into this red shade right here, just right there, just to kind of deepen up what shade we already have. I'm going to take this brush that we used before just to buff out and like really blend these two colors together, because even though this look is red, I really want to make this the softest like look possible. Then I'm going to take this same brush back into this red shade in the NYX Ultimate Edit palette, and I'm just going to pop this right over top and just see if we can soften up the look a little bit and really blend these two colors together seamlessly. The key to this look is blending your little arm away. So taking it out here is because I'm going to end up making a sharp edge later, so I want it to like be a little bit more extended, but I'm only taking this color out there so that the edges are really soft. It kind of has like a gradient effect rather than being so sharp. Okay, so now that that is done and the edges of my eyes are super messy, oh my, it's time to cut our crease. So to cut my crease, I'm going to of course be using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Fair Neutral. I'm just going to pop a little bit on the back of my hand and then do the same thing I do every time I cut my crease. And we're just going to do a half cut crease. So once I have my creases cut, they're almost completely dry. I'm going to go in with this color in the Jaclyn Hill palette. This is called In Light, and I'm just going to kind of use this to set my cut crease and just kind of get rid of the pinky. Alright, now that we've gotten rid of that pinky undertone for our cut crease, I'm just going to blend in the edges here with this smaller brush just to make sure that everything is nice and seamless once again. And I'm just going over top of where we cut our crease just to make sure that that is still really nice and visible and didn't get too lost with the concealer. Okay, so once we have our eyes nice and blended, the look is finally coming together, at least for the eye part. I'm just going to throw on a little bit of mascara and then some lashes. So for mascara, I'm going to be using a little sample that I have of the Monsieur Big. This mascara is super good. I really like it. So I'm just going to curl my lashes and pop on that. Alright, for my lashes, I'm going to be using Alright, for my lashes, I'm going to be using my Ardell Demi Wispies, and then I'm going to be using my black duo glue. I prefer black glue. You can totally use whatever glue you like. Okay, so now that I have these lashes on, I'm just going to take a little bit of mascara and go in this inner corner on both of my lashes and just see if I can make them look a little bit more full, I guess. So to do this, I'm going to be using my Revlon Photo Ready 3D Volume Mascara because on the end of this wand it has a really nice tip that you can use to get into smaller areas of your eyes. Okay, so now that we have our eyes done, I'm going to go ahead and move on to my base. I'm going to start off by using my MAC Strobe Cream in the shade Pink Light, and I'm just going to take this all over my skin because I want to have a really nice glow. Okay, now that my face is shining to the heavens, I'm going to go in with my Naked Skin Foundation and shake her up. So I'm really pale at the moment because I have not self-tanned in a while. So this is basically the only foundation I have right now that matches me, and we're going to go with it. If you're looking for a super full coverage foundation, this is not for you, but I do like the finish of it. It's not my favorite foundation, but like I said, it's the only thing that matches my skin tone at the moment, so that is what I'm using. If you like the way that it looks on my skin, then there it is for you. But to be honest, I don't really like this foundation that much, but I'm not going to be wearing this look long after I film, so it's really just coverage. I'm going to go in with a dab of my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, just to put a tad bit of this underneath my eyes. Next, I'm going in with my butter bronzer, my very broken butter bronzer, and I'm just going to bronze up my cheeks just a tad. To go in with the same butter bronzer and just use this to contour my nose, which I never do. Last makeup look I did, I ended up doing freckles across the bridge of my nose, and I really liked how that turned out. So I'm going to go ahead and do the exact same steps that I took in that tutorial. Alright, so at this point I'm going to go ahead and spray my face with my MAC Fix Plus. I have the coconut scented one and it smells so good. Now I'm going back in with that same brush that we've been using basically the entire time, and I'm just going to take and go on my lower lash line with this. Alright, and once our lower lash is done, I'm going back in with the Revlon mascara, and I'm just going to lightly coat my bottom lashes. For my highlighter, I'm going to be using my Tarte Amazonian Clay highlighter in the shade Stunner. I have not used this highlighter in forever, and I can't wait to use it again. Okay, and to finish off this look, I'm going to go in and do my lips with this Victoria's Secret lippy in the shade... I don't see a shade name on this, but it is the Velvet Matte collection, the cream lip stain. Okay, and since that lippy is a little bit more of a satiny cream, I want it to be more like completely matte. So I'm going to go over it with this Smashbox Insta Matte Lipstick Transformer, and I really like this a lot. That is today's finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. I really like this look and how it turned out. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys want me to film next, makeup wise, what kind of vlogs you want to see. Honestly, just whatever. Just comment it down below and let me know what you guys want to see, because this channel is for you guys just as much as it is for me. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day or night wherever you may be, and thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. If you got to the end of this video, comment down below a strawberry emoji. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!